The mirroring code, it's starting to get interesting. Let's go look at it before we run out of time. So in the top level variables, I just want to point your attention to here. We haven't changed anything here. In the editor game, we have changed this to 6. That's 110 in binary. Then in the MIRMAID function section in the bilateral mirroring code, we've added the max index for GTX and GTY and this loading index variable. We've added kitty corner code for kitty corner light and kitty corner dense. Also, notice that the length of our paired arrays for mirrored coordinates is reset to 0 each time we get to the top of this triply nested loop. So if the X and Y is selected by our triply nested loop and X and Y is configured in our bits, then we're going to do this kitty corner mirroring right here. So we're going to load the next index that's going to go into here, and we're going to increase the length of the array, and here's mirroring on the X and Y. Now, the dense kitty corner code is going to be activated when X, Y, and D are selected by our triply nested loop, and X, Y, and D are configured in our bit flags. The math goes here. We haven't added that yet. For the bilateral X mirroring, we're going to load the next coordinate address and put it into the paired array. We're going to mirror on the X, but not on the Y. For mirroring on the Y light, same thing. Get the next address to put into our paired array. Don't mirror on the X, but do mirror on the Y. And then way down here, put non-transformed. If we have not already put the transform coordinate, then we're going to set it as put, and then we're going to get the next address to put in our paired array and just carry over the original input and shove it in here. Then down here, put tile if okay. We're going to loop through every single GTX, GTY that's been put in our paired array, and we're just going to use the normal tile put function, and that's it. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder.